Guys, welcome to the code walkthrough video for challenge 3009. The expected output in this challenge is a visual depiction of product lines have been purchased by that account. I had shown the working application in functional overview demo. So this is the page which we are going to use in line with account detail page. So let's see the code. So I'm providing one accounts ID to this page, so it will render the particular visual depiction. It has one active car product family and one active sailboat. So this is the simple Visualforce page code in which I'm using list of string to iterate over on the image tag, so it will put up the icons accordingly. So basically the image URL list will hold URLs for all the images which we need to show on the Visualforce page. So let's see how this image URL list is formed. In the controller code, I have kept this code very clean and did not clutter it with all the business logic, so it should be readable and easy to maintain. We have three variables. One is list of strings which we are using on page level, the width of the icon, a height of the icon. So let's see now. On the line 8, I'm calling one get image URLs method from interface util, which is my util class where I'm holding the complete business logic, so the code is readable clearly. Then on line 10, once we find out all the list of images to be shown, we set the custom settings for image icon width and icon height. So this is the simple clean logic we have on controller page. Let's see what happens in interface util get image URL. So this is my interface util class, and the method defined on line 16 is get image URL. It takes ID of an account and then performs the business logic we need to do or specified in challenge requirement. So let's go some line by line. So from line 17 to 53, we are initializing and declaring all the variables we needed into this application. So this is the list of string which will hold the URLs for images, which is the final output or return value of this method. This p family name to sort will be the list which will hold the product families to perform the logic for sorting the product families. I'll explain it to you. List of opportunity will hold the list of all the open opportunities for this particular account. The list of asset will hold all the active assets, or all the assets basically, not active, all the assets for this particular account. The map of ID to product family configuration will hold all the records from our configuration object, and it will form its map basically. So whenever we pass an ID, we can get the complete configuration object. It's kind of for the bulkify if we need to do it. This is an important map. I have written the description, still I'll explain to you. This is the product families to show map. What it does is I'm storing product family name as a key and boolean value as a value of this map. What I'm doing here is I first need to decide for which product families I need to show inactive icon version. That means which are the product families that are not present in either active asset or open opportunity for this particular account. So to decide that, I use this map. So whichever product families are present in this map should not show inactive icon version. Those product families should either show active asset or open opportunities depending on the condition. but those product families surely will not show any inactive icon version. So this is what this map does. So it stores the product families which should show either open opportunity icon or active asset icon. Then this is the map I'm building from my earlier ID to product family configuration map. This is simply the product family name versus its object. So if I say get me the car configuration object, and if I pass the car string, it will give me its configuration object. Now on line 44 we are storing map to show on the page. So as you know, we need to show the best outcome version. So that means only one entry should be present per product family, and that entry should have or should hold the best outcome version icon image URL. So that is why we are using map. So it will store per one entry per product family. So the key here is product family name, which is unique, and the value is appropriate image URL. This is what this map does, and depending on this map, use after the ascending order sort logic, we build the final list of URLs. These three maps are important in our code. The first map, active assets icon map, holds product family's name versus its image URLs for active icon version. That means this map will hold a record for car and its active image URL, active icon image URL. So if I perform get method on this active assets icon map, then it will return me that particular product family's active icons image URL. So I can easily get any version URL using three maps. I just need to know for which product family I want which image URL. So I can use three maps accordingly. That is why I'm building these three maps. On line 56, I'm simply getting all the open opportunities present for particular account ID. On the line 69, I'm getting all the assets for the particular account ID. I'm just making sure that the product family name is not null or blank. So it will automatically filter out the assets which are not needed. Here I'm basically creating the map as I had described already. Now from line 91 to 96, I'm building three maps simply for image URLs: active asset icons, active opportunity icons, inactive product families. And if you note down the code, I'm storing product family name, that is car, toy gun, and against its one version of its icon image. So the active assets icon map will store family name versus its active asset icon image URL. So after line 95, we can simply use these three maps to get the image URL versions. Right, now let's see the condition 1. Check with product families which product families are present for all account assets. So for this, all the assets, first we build map for all the assets. So whichever product families are present for any of the account asset, we put those into map to show on page map simply. So on this 104, line 104, if condition ensures that the particular assets product family is present in product configuration object or not. That means, suppose let's consider this account has asset 1, let's say, and asset 1's product family is something different. Let's say it is it is a bat, let's say toy bat. So this if condition will return false, and it will not add that bat product family into map to show on page icon. Or let's say it is a tennis racket, so it will not add it. But suppose assets product family is car, then it will add that asset and its active image URL into this map. So this is what we do from 99 to 108. The first condition is fulfilled, that is we are checking if account has active asset for this line or not. Now once we loop over all the assets, we go to the opportunities. We loop over all the open opportunities where product family is not null and not blank. Then on line 115, first we check if for the particular product family any entry is present in map to show on page or not. That means if we find any entry in map to show on page map, that means we already have active asset for the particular product family. And if we already have active asset, then we don't need to check for that product family. So we simply skip this if and go into the else. We are doing nothing, and we just go to the next opportunities product family. So this loop, this if condition ensures the product family of an opportunity is not already exist for any asset of an account. Now if I find if my map returns null, that means for this product family active asset is not present. Then I need to check if the product family matches with product families present in product configuration object. This if condition on line 118 ensures that if this particular opportunities product family is present in configuration object, then we need to put it into my map to show on page map, and the image URL will be open opportunity icons image URL. Simple enough. So this is what we do from line 111 to 125. This fulfills, or this implements the logic for condition 2. If account has active opportunity, then we need to show open opportunity icon. And the third thing, for all the product families present in product configuration object, we need to check which to show active. We already decided which to show active asset and which to show open opportunities. Now we need to decide which family should show inactive image icon. So whichever product families from product configuration object are not present in this map should show inactive icon for that product family. This is simply logical. So this is what we do from 128 to 136. I'll repeat again. Whichever product families present in the product family configuration object are not present in this particular product families to show map, which we are building in all the two loops, should show non-active image icons. That is, they don't have any active asset for their product family or open opportunity. And from line 137 to 150, we simply sort the list or sort the map in ascending order of product families. So line 137 to 150 is the simple logic which sorts my list, and on line 150 I return the final image URL list, which is captured on controller and simply used to show over here. I purposefully created this get image URL method in interface util because I don't want to clutter this complete business logic in my controller code. So my Visualforce page and page controller is clean, readable and easy to understand. and this method will hold all the business logic. I would like to show you the test cases also. Whichever three test cases I am showing you in the functional overview demo, I have written unit tests for those test cases in my test case 1, test case 2 and test case 3 methods. So if you run these 3 test cases and if all the test cases are passed, that means your application is working correctly. I had given the test cases description at proper places, so you should not have any problem to understand what my code is doing. The indentation is clean and readable. I think these 3-4 classes we have for this challenge, and this is it for code walkthrough video. Sorry if this video is a bit long, but which is necessary to explain the complete code walkthrough. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your time. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.